Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglebag-lebag na dyan with evidence ako. Congrats VP Sara! Ito isang malaking sampal sa nagsasabing si VP Sara ay isang magnanakaw at korap. Nako, lumabas na! COA report, nilabas na! Alam nyo ba kung ano ang report? Unqualified. Clean report ang OVP. O, ano yan, ha? As, yung nagpapa-impeach case, yung nag-submit ng impeachment case kay BP Sara. Ano na ngayon? Nasupalpal kayo ng COA. Early in this morning, I read this news. Unqualified. Clean report ang OVP. Paano nyo iyan maririakan, ha? Kaya, congrats VP Sara. Sabi ko na nga ba, walang corruption ng OVP. Hindi magnanakaw si VP Sara. Baka kayo ang magnanakaw. So eto kabibig ha, isi-share ko sa inyo ang nabasa ko kay Doc Loren Badoy. Siya ang nag-post nito at hindi ito binalita sa social media. Yan Commission on Audit. Masahin natin kabibig ha. Independence Auditor Report. The Honorable Vice President opinion. We have audited the accompanying financial statements of the Office of the Vice President, which comprise the statement of financial position as at December 31, 2023, and the statement of financial performance, statement of cash flows, statement of changes in net assets, equity, statement of comparison of budget, and actual amounts of the year then ended, and notes to the financial statements, including a summary of significant accounting policies. In our opinion, the accompanying financial statement present fairly in all material presents the financial position of OVP as at December 31, 2023, and its financial performance statement of cash flows, statement of changes in net assets and equity, statement of comparison of budget and actual amounts for the year then ended, and notes to financial statements, including a summary of significant accounting policies in accordance with international public sector accounting standards or IPSASS. Yan. Ano ang laman pa? Yan natin. Ito ha, basis for unmodified opinion. We conducted our audit in accordance with international standards of Supreme Audit Institution. Our responsibility under those standards are described in the auditor's responsibility for the audit of the financial statement section of our report. We are independent of the agency in accordance with revised Code of Conduct and ethical standards for Commission on Audit officials and employees, or Code of Ethics, together with the ethical requirements that are relevant to our audit of the financial statements, and we have fulfilled our other ethical responsibilities in accordance with these requirements. We believe that the audit evidence we have obtained is sufficient and appropriate to provide a basis of our unmodified opinion. Tingnan nyo dyan. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng unmodified opinion? According to Ms. Lorraine Marie, the OVP's COA report came out December 1 with the best opinion, unqualified. It means clean report. Agoy, ang sakit naman yan, oy. Malinis ang OVP. Clean na clean ang mga report ng OVP. Walang halong korupsyon. Walang Mary Grace Piatos. Wala talaga yan. O paano yan? Ano ang iyong reaction tungkol dyan? Baka sabihin nyo naman, nako, binayaran yan. Binayaran yan yung VP Sara Duterte kasi ipa-impeach na siya. So kailangan niyang linisin ang pangalan niya. Nako, ikaw lang talaga naisip niyan. Ikaw lang talaga naisip na kung saan ang utak mo ay puno ng tae. Ito nga. Unqualified opinion is considered a clean report. An unqualified opinion doesn't have any adverse comments, and it doesn't include any disclaimer about any clauses or the audit process. This report indicates that the auditors are satisfied with the company's financial reporting. The auditors believes the company operation comply with governance principles and applicable law. The company, the editor, the investors, and the public perceive this report to be free from material misstatements. Paano yan? Wala pala. Sila lang pala ang nagawa-gawa na istorya na si BP Sara ay isang magnanakaw, may mga tawag ito, may mga discrepancies sa mga reports. Dito are satisfied ang mga auditor sa financial reporting ng Office of the Vice President at naniniwala ang mga auditor na nag-comply ang OVP with governance principles and applicable laws. Tapos, nakita nila na ang mga report ng OVP are free from material misstatements. Paano na yan? Anong gagawin natin dyan? Inapahiya na naman kayo. Anong gawin nyo? Ha? Wala na, kabibig. Pahiya na yung mga nag-submit ng cleared ng COA, si VP Sara. So paano now? We know that before the report came out, money is not the main objective of the 30s because if it is, they would not last long in the politics. So this means that the impeachment process will be null and void since there is no misuse of public funds. Isn't it one ground of the impeachment was betrayal of public trust? So ano na? Nga na naman ang makabayan. Dilima, Trillanes, anong komento nyo? The impeachment that the administration is pursuing makes the people more angry. It amplifies their wickedness. The COA's independent auditor's report speaks for itself. Ano na, Quadcom? Paano na yan? Anong gagawin nyo? Anong pwede nyong irelyebo ito COA report. Itong COA's independent auditor's report. Ultimately, only the truth will free the OVP from all the drama unfolding in the Senate and Congress, especially those who have crucified VP Sara over the CIF controversy. For months, the OVP has faced relentless criticism over the alleged 125 million disallowance. Many of these detractors seem blinded or perhaps driven by envy. Diba? Tunay na nagserbisyo sa bayan ng OVP. Tama si Tatay Digong. Gusto ni VP Sara noon magtrabaho lang siya. Pero ang ginawa nila ay pilit na nilapastangan ang pagkatao ni VP Sara. Ito pa. Lalabas at lalabas talaga ang katotohanan. Kahit gustong baloktutin ng kasinungalingan. Laban VP Sara. That's the most sacred audit opinion to us accountants. Very good job, OVP. O, diba? House of the Representative acts like investigators, auditors at iba pa. Ngayon, yung babae gusto magpasikat, nga naman sila. Dapat sana isampal ito sa pagmumukha ng baboy na iyon. If we have nobody like yourself and other vloggers, we would not know what the vital information has been kept from us, the ordinary people. Hindi ito binalita sa media. Tinakpan nila ng mga samang istorya laban kay VP Sara. Salamat sa mga vloggers at mga vloggers kung saan ay ibinulgar nila ang totoong nangyari. See? Wala pa silang mahanap na mali. Iba talaga pag mga tao may inggit, ang itim ng puso. Of course, di mo ito marinig sa balita kasi gusto nilang siraan si VP Sara. We are much confident of the performance of the Vice President Sara Duterte. Madaling magbulag-bulagan ang mainstream media sa katotohanan kasi yung pansariling interest lamang nila ang kanilang isinusulong. Sinisiraan pa nila si VP Sara. O yun nakabibig ha, nakita nyo na ang trending news. Palakpakan para kay VP Sara. I'm so happy to give you this news. Unqualified, clean report. Wala talagang kamintis-mintis. Maski misstatements, wala. Yun mga kabibig. As in, sino ba nag-audit kabibig? Naku, international. Based ito sa standard with, we conducted our audit in accordance with international standards of Supreme Audit and institutions. International standards of supreme audit and institutions. So it means walang makakaligtas. Tinitinang bawat detalye, bawat papel. And therefore, they conclude it's unqualified. It's clean report. So ano masasabi nyo dyan? Butata naman kayo. Ano masasabi nyo? Baguhin nyo naman ang report. Ay, nako, wala talaga yung magagawa kay BP Sara. BP Sara talaga ang trabaho malinis dito, no? Malinis si BP Sara. Ang pagkatao, ang kanyang trabaho. Gusto niya magtrabaho bilang vice presidente. Tapos kinakaltasan pa niyo ang budget niya for 2025. O tingnan niyo, siya lang ang nagpresenta. Mga auditor na ang nagsabi na malinis. Malinis magtrabaho ang vice president, ang OVP. So ano masasabi niyo dyan? Tahimik na lang kayo. Napahiya kayo. Sige pa, impeachment case pa kayo. Kinain nyo ang yung impeachment case. Nabasura naman yan. Kasi wala naman kayong mapapatunayan at wala kayong ebidensya. Ano ebidensya nyo? Yung hearing-hearing nyo? Ano makuha ng tao sa hearing-hearing nyo? Meron na bang resulta in aid of legislation? Pang ilang hearing na ba yan? Diba? May final verdict na ba ang mga kongresista dyan? Nagsumiti na ba sila in aid of legislation? Wala pa naman. Tapos kayo atat na atat sa impeachment case ni BP Sara. Para saan? Diba? Para sabihin talagang maisog kayo? Maisog ba talaga? Or merong nagpupush sa inyo na, sige, ano mo dyan? Siraan natin si Sara. Ipakita natin na talo na siya. Ngayon, sino ang talo? Kitaan nyo? Ang report ng mga auditors? Unqualified. Clean report si BP Sara. Paano na yan? Yun lang po mga bibigyan ng ating latest level for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone! Congratulations to all who believe kay VP Sara na malinis ang OVP. Congratulations! Bye everyone! See you next time!